Hello Atomians! Have you ever wished for a skincare product that works while you sleep? Something that requires little effort but delivers amazing results. I used to struggle with finding time for skincare, but what if I told you there's one product that takes less than a minute to apply and makes your skin glow by the morning? I'm Angel Huang from Atomy, Canada, and today I'm here to share my absolute favorite Atomy product, the Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask. This is a product I believe everyone should try, and I guarantee you will love it just as much as I do. For someone like me who has little time for a daily skincare routine, the 24K Gold Night Mask is my go-to product. It takes less than a minute to apply, but the results are incredible. My experience with Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask. The first time when I tried this product, I conducted a simple test on my hands. I applied an even layer on my right hand, leaving my left hand bare. After 30 minutes, I washed it off and air dry my hand. And let me tell you, it was like magic. When I touched my right hand, it felt incredibly soft and smooth, while my left hand just felt, normal. But the real surprise, the brightness when I put them together. My right hand looked visibly more radiant. That's when I knew I had to get this product and try it on my face. How do I use it at home? To get the best result, I start with the evening force set to cleanse my face thoroughly. So the first one I would go with is the deep cleanser to remove my makeup and impurities and dirts. Foam cleanser to provide a deeper cleansing, so a double wash. Peeling gel, gently exfoliating for a smoother skin. Then I would apply the Absolute toner twice to 3 times to ensure maximum hydration on top. And then I will put ampoule on. So after I put the ampoule on, I will gently massage my face. Once my face has absorbed the toner and ampoule, I apply an even layer of the 24K Gold Night Mask on my face. Try to avoid your eye area. I let it dry slightly before going to bed. If my skin feels too dry, I apply Absolute lotion before the mask for extra hydration. On nights when I have some extra time, I take it up a notch. I apply the peel-off mask over the dry mask. Yes, it is a little bit tricky to layer 2 sticky texture masks, but trust me, it is worth it. The morning results are absolutely beautiful. What makes this mask so special? The Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask isn't just about luxurious, it's about the results. It contains real 24K gold, known for its brightening and anti-aging effect. It features Absolute Almite Coat, which strengthens the skin barrier, improves your texture, and enhances skin tone. Key ingredient like saffron water helps refine skin texture and tone, while winter cherry roots extract restore and heal your skin. You might be wondering, is this product right for me? The answer is yes. This mask is for everyone, whether you're a busy mom, a working professional, or someone who just wanted effortless skincare. It works for both men and women and helps deliver powerful nourishment to keep your skin youthful and glowing. Try it and see the difference. If you haven't tried it, just give it a try for one night. You might wake up to the best skin of your life. I hope you enjoyed my sharing today about the Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask. Thank you for watching. I'm Angel Huang from Atomy, Canada, and I can't wait for you to experience the magic of this product. See you next time.